Let's talk about adding specificity and clarity to base prompts with the second component of prompting, which is parameters. These are your constraints and boundaries. Basically, tell the agent what not to do or what to do in general or in specific situations. Your general parameters will usually come right after you describe the role and goals of your AI agent. There are some essential general parameters that I always use when writing AI agent prompts. Do not greet the user because your welcome gambit is supposed to handle the greetings. Do not use the word AI in responses. This keeps the conversation natural. This becomes important especially when your prompt where you describe the role says something like you are an XYZ AI agent like a sales or marketing agent. The AI will pick up on the fact that you use the word AI and start giving that like a scripted response. Then ask only one question at a time. This prevents user overwhelm. Normally, if an agent is instructed to ask questions, it will ask all at once, which means that the user has to type a lot for the agent to gain context. Then provide number options where possible. This makes the interaction faster, especially when you're using a single gambit that's looped back to itself and has chat memory enabled. Keep responses short and concise. This again creates a better user experience. You can also add personality parameters like be professional and authoritative in all responses for a business consultant agent, or use a friendly conversational tone throughout for a customer support agent. For creative agents, you might add generate multiple options for users to choose from or to explain the reasoning behind creative choices. Scope parameters are also very crucial. Add things like only discuss topics related to marketing, or if asked about unrelated topics, politely redirect to your expertise area. For a fitness coach agent, you might include don't provide medical advice and focus exclusively on exercise and nutrition guidance. These parameters in general will help prevent common AI behaviors that break the user experience.